Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we will learn how to calculate battery capacity for a solar system. Battery capacity is very important because batteries store solar energy and supply power during night time or power outages. So if you choose the wrong battery size, your system may not work properly. Why batteries are important in solar system? Batteries store extra solar energy produced during the day. During daytime, solar panel run the load. Extra energy charges the battery. During night time, batteries supply power to your load. That is why correct battery sizing is very important. Battery capacity formula. Now let's understand the main formula. The formula is battery capacity H is equal to daily energy WH divided by system voltage V, where daily energy means total load energy consumption per day. System voltage means battery bank voltage 12 volt, 24 volt, 48 volt, etc. Step by step example. Let's understand with a simple example. Suppose your daily load energy is 2000 watt-hour. System voltage is 24 volt. Now for the values in formula. Battery H is equal to 2000 divided by 24. The answer becomes 83.3 ampere hour. This means your battery must supply 83.3 ampere hour energy per one day. Adding safety factor very important. In real solar system, we never select battery exactly equal to calculation. We always add safety backup. Factor 1. Autonomy days. Autonomy means how many days the battery should run without solar charging. Here we select 2 days backup. So multiplied by 2. 83.3 multiplied by 2. The answer becomes 166.6 ampere hour. Factor 2. Depth of discharge. DOD. Batteries should not be fully discharged because it reduces battery life. For most batteries we use 50% depth of discharge. That means we use only half battery capacity. So again multiplied by 2. 166.6 multiplied by 2. The answer becomes 333 ampere hour. Now our required battery capacity is 333 ampere hour at 24 volt. But batteries are available in standard sizes. So we select the nearest high value, 24 volt 400 ampere hour battery bank. This gives better backup and longer battery life. So now you know how to calculate battery capacity for off-grid solar system. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.